All right. Hi, this is Zach with Sell House Columbus, and we have Steve with us today, and we just closed on this property. So, Steve, I'm just going to ask you a few questions. Tell us about your situation. What made you decide to sell the property?
It was a property that we had purchased for my sister-in-law a few years back, and we had started a business that subsequently failed.
Mhm.
So we had to file bankruptcy. So that was included in the bankruptcy. However, the trustee abandoned the property, so it was still in our name, and we had to get it out of our name in a hurry, and that's why we wanted to sell it.
All right, gotcha. And what was your experience working with our company, Sell House Columbus?
They were very attentive to what we needed and worked in a super fast manner to get things done. Even though there were hiccups, they never gave up. And Zach has been with me every step of the way to make it really a smooth, easy transaction.
All right. Thank you. Thank you for the kind words. And lastly, what would you say to homeowners out there who's looking to sell their property for cash quickly?
I call Zach. He's going to give you a fair offer and make sure it gets done in a timely manner, and he's very attentive to what you need.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Steve. And it was a pleasure working with you. And again, this is Zach with Sell House Columbus. If you're looking to sell your house for cash quickly, call us at 614-300-5151 or find us online at www.sellhousecolumbus.com. All right. See you. Thank you, Steve.
No problem.
All right.